Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to create cinematic wallpaper on Android 16. Let's begin! First of all, we have to go to the settings, and after scrolling down a little we should find wallpaper and style. We want to go here, and now we want to click more wallpapers. Here we have ability to choose our wallpaper, so let me quickly do that. And as you can see here, we can choose between any kind of photo we have downloaded on our phone. I'm going to go and create one very simply. So let's, for example, do a photo of my little plant here, and let's see what will happen. So I'm going to put down on the phone, and let's go back to the settings, get back to the wallpaper and style, more wallpapers, choose wallpaper, photos, and let's choose our plant here. Now we want to click the little stars. If you ever used basically Android or anything Google related, then you should probably recognize these stars as Gemini. So we simply click it. As you can see here, we have the ability to add 3D and motion effects to this photo. So let's enable that. Though it will probably take a while. I'm guessing it will most likely depend on... Oh, okay, that's all. I wanted to say that it would probably depend on the size of your wallpaper and how detailed it is. Okay, but yeah, let's just quickly set it up as wallpaper. We can set it up as lock screen or home screen. So I'm going to go with, I think, both of these. So let's hit set. Now we have, now our wallpaper is set. And as you can see, it's pretty hard to... Okay, it is pretty cool. I'm guessing that the effect would be even more enhanced if you would actually do a photo of something more interesting than just a normal plant. However, just like that, it's pretty cool. Let me try to do that. And here we also have our adaptive and cinematic backgrounds, but as you can see on lock screen, this is not as cool. It could be just that I enabled this option only for home screen. That would be pretty funny. But yeah, as you can see, the AI cinematic creating tool works just fine. It is really amazing, to be honest. And I'm guessing if you try to use more detailed photos, more interesting ones, then this effect will be even more better. However, with only just a simple plant pot, that's all what we'll get. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.